to explain the position of electrons around the nucleus, to explain the shape of orbitals and all that, we take into consideration four quantum numbers. Principal quantum number, which gives us the shell to which the electron belongs to. Azimuthal quantum number, which gives the idea about the subshell to which the electron belongs to. Magnetic orbital quantum number, which gives the number of orbitals in the subshell, and magnetic spin quantum number, which gives the anticlockwise or clockwise motion of the electrons around the nucleus, because electrons not only orbit around the nucleus but they also spin about their own axis. Maybe in the clockwise असेल तर प्लस ॲरो वरती दाखवायचा आणि अँटी क्लॉकवाईज असेल तर मायनस ॲरो खालती दाखवायचा इन द वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Students, I will explain to you exactly how it is. Principal quantum number, first column, then name of the shell, okay, next number of subshells, okay, then you have azimuthal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number is denoted by the letter L. Symbol of the subshell, which is new to you students, symbol of the subshell, okay, number of orbitals, easy आहे, एकदा क्लिक व्हायला पाहिजे तुम्हाला फक्त. number of orbitals in the subshell. Last one is the value of magnetic orbital quantum number, okay. Principal quantum number is denoted by the letter n. If n is equal to 1, then it is the first shell, which is called as the K shell. The number of subshells present in the given shell is always equal to the number of shell. म्हणजे फर्स्ट शेल असेल तर त्याच्यात किती सबशेल्स असतात तर ओनली वन. इफ इट इज सेकंड शेल, द नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स प्रेझेंट इन दॅट शेल इज 2. इफ इट इज थर्ड शेल, नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स इज 3. If it is fourth shell, then the number of subshells present in it is 4. So how many subshells are there? 1. Okay. Azimuthal quantum number takes all those values from 0 to n minus 1. Meaning azimuthal quantum number n minus 1 value, 0 to n minus 1. आता n किती है? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Azimuthal quantum number is 0. Symbol of that shell, if when azimuthal quantum number is 0, the symbol of the subshell is S, and it belongs to first shell. Subshell S, the electron belongs to first shell, n is equal to 1, कारण principal quantum number m1 आहे आणि subshell कुठला आहे S. का बरं? Because azimuthal quantum number gives the subshell, that is 1s. Now how many orbitals are present in the subshell? 2l plus 1 orbitals. म्हणजे किती? आता 0 असेल तर मला सांगा 0, 2 into 0 plus 1 म्हणजे किती झालं मुलांनो? Just 1. Then what is the value of magnetic orbital quantum number? It takes the values from minus l minus 1, 0 plus l minus 1. म्हणजे कसं येणार? फक्त 0. l minus 1 करायचं. l minus 1 म्हणजे 0. तुम्हाला कळत जाईल. तो डोंट वरी स्टुडंट्स, यू विल कम टू नो व्हॉट आय मीन टू से. मायनस ऑफ l minus 1, 0, l minus 1. आता l minus 1 जर घेतली एकच व्हॅल्यू ना, त्यामुळे इट विल बी ओनली वन व्हॅल्यू, दॅट इज 0. आता घ्या प्रिन्सिपल क्वांटम नंबर 2, सेकंड शेल इज कॉल्ड एज L shell. How many subshells are present in second shell? Is equal to the shell number itself. The number of subshells is 2. Azimuthal quantum number will take the values from where to where, students? It will be 0 to n minus 1. n is 2 म्हणजे 0 आणि 1. 0 to n minus 1. Starting 0 to n minus 1. N is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So symbol of the subshell will be 0 म्हणजे S, 1 म्हणजे P. Shell is second shell. झालं. What about the number of orbitals present? 2 into L plus 1 म्हणजे 2 into 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1 आणि 2 into 1 plus 1 which is equal to 3. म्हणजे याचे कसे येणार? 3, 0. 3 values. How many values? Only 1 ना? 1 value 0. 1 value 0. 3 values म्हणजे minus 1, 0 plus 1. 3 values. 1, 2, 3. 3 values. 0 म्हणजे एकच व्हॅल्यू. Value of the magnetic orbital quantum number which begins from minus L minus 2, minus L minus 1, minus 0, L plus 1, L plus 2 and so on. कळतंय? 3 म्हणजे 3 व्हॅल्यूज. 3 व्हॅल्यूज कसे सिलेक्ट करायचे? 1, 2, 3. दॅट इज minus 1, 0, 1. बघत जा, तुमचं तुम्हाला कळेल. आता n is equal to 3 students. Shell number 3. So shell number 3 is M shell. Number of subshells is equal to the shell number. Azimuthal quantum number किती येणार? 0 to n minus 1 म्हणजे किती? 0, 1, 2. हां, 0 means S, 1 means P, 2 means SP, D. 0 shell कुठला आहे? 3, 3S, 3P, 3D. Value of azimuthal quantum number will be number of orbitals 2L plus 1. That is 2 into 0 plus 1. That is 1. 1. 1 ची value घ्या. 2 into 1 plus 1. 3. And what about here? 2 into 2 plus 1. That is total 5. आता हे कसं लिहिणार तुम्ही? 1 value म्हणजे 0. 3 values म्हणजे minus 1, 0, 1. 5 values म्हणजे minus, because it takes minus L minus 1 असे व्हॅल्यूज सिलेक्ट करतं. minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, n is equal to 4. प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर 4. M, K, L, M अल्फाबेट. n shell. नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ azimuthal क्वांटम नंबर 0 to n minus 1 म्हणजे 0, 1, 2, 3. म्हणजे कुठला? S, P, D, F. Which shell? 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. What about the number of orbitals present in 4S shell? It will be 2 into 0 plus 1. ही value घ्या. That is 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. That is 3. 2 into 2 plus 1. That is 5. 2 into 3 plus 1. That is 7. म्हणजे कसे येणार व्हॅल्यूज? फक्त 0, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. हां, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आता minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 3 झाले, 4 झाले, 5 झाले, 6 झाले, 7 झाले. That's it. That is how you are going to name the azimuthal quantum number. Are you okay here? This is how you do the nomenclature. Okay, students. Next, we'll continue with the next part. I'll tell you what we are going to discuss now. Students, what about the shape? Concentrate here. What about the shape of the orbitals? S orbital. What is orbital? They are small little regions inside the subshell where the tendency to find electron is maximum. त्याला ऑर्बिटल म्हणतात. फर्स्ट शेलमध्ये किती ऑर्बिटल्स असतात? एकच, 1s. सेकंड शेलमध्ये 2s, 2p. थर्डमध्ये 3s, 3p, 3d. फोर्थ शेलमध्ये 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. कळते? असे एरियाज असतात वेअर द टेंडन्सी टू फाइंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज मॅक्झिमम. s ऑर्बिटल स्टुडंट्स अँड p ऑर्बिटल. हां, जनरली एस, पी से छोड़ो, बाद में देखेंगे. S orbital is generally spherical in shape. As the size of the shell increases, the size of this orbital also increases. P orbitals, or we'll put it like this, P orbitals have a dumbbell shape. There are 3 P orbitals. कसे टीचर? 12 plus 1 घ्या ना. हाँ, for P, L is what? 1. So how much? 3 P orbitals. Huh? That is Px, alignment along the x-axis. Py, alignment along the y-axis. And Pz, alignment along the z-axis. असे 3 P orbitals असतात. Then we have D orbitals. D orbitals किती असणार? 2 into L is for D orbital, L is what? 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 म्हणजे किती झाले? 5D. D orbitals 5 असतात. 5, they are dxy, dyz, dzx. म्हणजे the alignment is like this. Now you may ask me, teacher, shape का असतो त्यांचा? Double dumbbell. Like this. xy, yz, zx, x square minus y square and z square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. dxy, dyz, dzx, x square minus y square and dz square. That is the shape of the D orbital. Next, what about the energy, students? Students, the energy of the shell closest to the nucleus is minimum. As we move higher and higher, the energy of the shell also increases. It's generally observed that the energy of the first subshell, that is 1s, is comparatively lesser than 2s. The energy of 2s orbital and 2p orbital are same, which is less than 3s. 3s and 3p orbital are same, less than 4s. 4s is equal to 4p is equal to 4. इथं d पण येणार, 4f and so on. ठीक है? So the energy of the lowest shell, or the shell which is closest to the nucleus, is minimum. Well, students, I would like to tell you one more point. Now you may ask me, s orbitalचा shape तर spherical सांगितला टीचर, p orbitalचा shape dumbbell, d orbitalचा shape double dumbbell. ठीक है? What about f orbital? Students, f orbital textbook मध्ये नाही आहे, but I'll give you an idea. F orbital has a diffuse shape. Diffuse shape म्हणजे which cannot be identified, students. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड जो असतो, इथं बरोबर स्पेरिकल शेप कसा दिसतो. Here it appears to be spherical. Here it appears to be a dumbbell. Dumbbell माहिती आहे ना? Double dumbbell. Like that, F orbital has a highly diffused shape, and therefore you cannot give a fixed shape to the F orbital. That's it. There are how many S orbitals? Only 1. How many P orbitals are there? 3. कसं टीचर? 12 plus 1 फॉर्म्युला वापरा. Value of azimuthal quantum number. ठीक है? 12 plus 1. Number of orbitals are only one s orbital is there. There are 3 p orbitals, 5 d orbitals and 7 f orbitals. Okay, and f orbital has a diffused shape, and hence you cannot give a proper shape to it. And what about the energy? Energy of 1s is the least, and energy, as we move higher order in the respective orbitals, the energy goes on increasing. Ends the job. Okay, students, we'll stop for today. We'll continue tomorrow again. Bye.